Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where your iPhone keyboard isn't typing for some reason. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, you might want to just go through and just make sure that the keyboard itself didn't have any glitches or have any problems. What you could typically do here is to just swipe out of the keyboard. So just close out of the keyboard like this, and then just go back into that application or whatever it is, and try typing on the keyboard again. Sometimes that could end up fixing the problem, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing here too, is to just tap onto the keyboard and see if that ends up fixing the problem. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, you might also want to see if you can change out the keyboard. So if you want, you can hold down on that little emoji icon or that little keyboard world icon in the bottom left. You can hold it down, and you want to see if you can switch over to a different keyboard. So try switching over to a different keyboard and see if that ends up fixing it. If that doesn't work, you can also try going through and try restarting your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your iPhone, and go ahead, slide the power off, give it a few seconds, power back on. If that still is not working, you might want to try going through and try updating your iPhone. So hop into your iPhone settings right here, scroll over till you find the general option right here, tap onto software update, and try seeing if you can software update your iPhone, because that's another really easy way to go and fix this. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.